Good morning, it's 8 o'clock and I'll show you the view I woke up to today. You can see a lot of houses over there. Those are actually the local residents. People are doing yoga in that yoga room. There's another suite which is just below our balcony. The sky is clear today. The weather is pleasant. I'm guessing it's somewhere around 20-21 degrees. Yesterday we had a dinner at 11:30. We ordered chicken curry again because we liked it so much for lunch. But yeah, it was, I will not say it was disappointing, but yeah, it was not as good as what we had for lunch. So, but yeah, you can definitely try it out. You can even try for the local chicken which is available here. And this place is mostly a vegetarian place, so that's what the owner told me, that they consider egg as a veg thing. So they have egg here. And if you want any chicken dish to be prepared, you have to inform them beforehand, and that's what we did. The place is still under construction. The owner told me that they are planning to increase the number of rooms which they currently have, and also they are planning to renovate this yoga center as a community hall or a recreation center. It's a huge space here. They are not currently on any booking app, so you have to directly call them and book this place, but most probably within a few months they will be there. So if you want to book it now, you have to call them directly. Just get their number from their website. It's 11:30 on the clock and the checkout time is 11 here. So our trip here is done. So it was a single day's trip and now we are going back to our car. It's quite a lot of steps actually, and from here most probably we'll go to Mirik Lake. The weather is a bit cloudy now. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's 12:15 on the clock and we are in front of the Mirik Lake. The surrounding is mostly under construction now. So we just parked our car at the parking lot. The parking charges were 50 rupees for an hour. This is the main entrance of the lake. You can spend some time with your friends and family. Definitely it's a good place to hang out, and there are a lot of hotels nearby, so you can definitely come and have your breakfast or lunch. It's definitely a great place and you won't regret coming here. Well, this is the lake. That's the bridge, and you have an option to do some horse riding also. Till last year they had this option of boating here, but now they don't. It's 4 on the clock and we reached Siliguri at around 3:15. It started raining at Mirik, so we had to cancel our lunch there. It was an enjoyable trip. I definitely recommend you to visit Birdsong. I will mention the site details in the description below. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll be really grateful. Stay tuned for more local trips which I'll be updating soon. See you guys.